What up, beauty gang? It's your girl Kellen, and I'm back at it with my videos. It's been such a long time. I promise I would never let that happen again, okay? Never. But I'm back in the groove, trying to provide you guys some awesome content, some awesome videos, some tutorials coming at you real soon. But tonight's video is all about skincare because it's Facial Friday. So today's products that I'm going to be using are all from Boxycharm. If you do not know what Boxycharm is a subscription beauty box. It comes with a wide variety of products in it, all ranging from full-size samples, and only for $21 a month. In my opinion, it is worth every penny, right? You're not only getting high quality products, but you're finding out what products you really like, that really works for you. You name it. The products that I'm going to show you, one of my favorites is from Farmcy, and it is basically makeup cleansing balm. And I'm going to show you what it is. I've been really digging into this one. As you can see, I've been digging into it, like literally digging into it. It just melts your makeup away. It takes out any kind of makeup, especially if you have like eyeliner. It removes it completely. That, and something I really want to show you guys, I've seen Instagram's videos where they use the carbonated bubble mask, so I'm gonna dive into it myself and try it out, because I've been dying to try it out, but I didn't know where to get it. But I found it at Burlington the other day, so we're gonna try it out. I'm gonna try it out on video with you guys. So if I look goofy, don't laugh, okay? Don't laugh. I'm just kidding. You can laugh, whatever. So we're gonna dive right in and let's get started. So sometimes our makeup don't get out everything that we want to from our face, and that is why I really love this Farmcy. I'm gonna get you close up real quick so you can see. I really love Farmcy because it just gets away. See the eyeliner? You can still see some of it still there, right? This Farmcy is going to melt that away. Watch and be amazed. One thing I forgot to mention when putting it on, don't open your eyes, okay? Because I made the mistake in opening my eyes while I had this on, and it felt like there was something stuck in my eyes for a few minutes, and it was a horrible feeling ever. So I always like going in with a second cleanser. Ooh, before I do that, look, y'all, no more liner. Can you see that? No more liner. That Farmcy is the bomb. I always like going in with a second cleanser, and we are going in with the ceramic slip here, and we're gonna cleanse our face. I love doing double cleansing. Get everything away because we want a fresh skin before we go to bed. A little spritz of water. Now that we've cleansed, we're gonna mask it on, and I am so excited to use this. I really want to see how the bubbles appear on my face. You hear me? And here we go. It says to leave on for 3 to 5 minutes, so we're just gonna chillax a while it's do its thing. Just let it bubble, bubble, trouble, trouble, toilet, bubble. Ooh, the bubbles, the bubbles. Look at the bubbles. Can y'all see that? Oh, it's so cool. We want to make sure we didn't leave anything in the crevices on our nose and stuff, you know. Now that we've removed, we've cleansed twice, we've masked, get every excess dirt that's laying within our pores, we're going to do our hydration. Now, I usually do this before I step in the shower because a trick that I've learned, if you feel like you have really, really dry skin in the morning, 2 reasons: you're not doing your moisturizer, or your moisturizer is just kind of rubbing off at night. One thing I learned a trick is to apply your moisturizer before you head into the shower, and that steam from the shower allows the moistures to kind of seep into your pores more to keep your face looking smooth and feel smooth and looking really radiant in the morning. So, but I really like using, for that purpose, my Ultra Repair cream, and that I also got from Boxycharm. I can't talk tonight. You only need a little bitty size. A little goes a long way. Yes, I think that's how you do. Okay, I feel refreshed. Do you? Thank you guys so much for watching and just staying tuned to watch this quick facial Friday tip and show you all of my favorites. If you have any question about all the products that I've used tonight, just feel free to leave them in the comments below. And if you would like to see more of this type of videos, let me know as well. Leave me an emoji, thumbs up, something. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell so you are in the know when I post another video for you guys. I really enjoyed you being here. And until next time, I'll talk to you later. Bye.